In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to animate the wiggle expression with keyframes, so you can increase or decrease the wiggle. You can download this project file in the description down below. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 64 of 365. I'm gonna start by making the wiggle expression, so I'll go here to position. I'll click the stopwatch and I want to make this wiggle 2 for frequency and 200 for the amount of movements. So this will move 200 pixels 2 times per second. If I want to make this wiggle to stop or increase the wiggle, we have to add some slider controls to this layer, or it could be to another layer also. Let me add a slider control and let's duplicate this with Ctrl D. Rename this first slider control to frequency. Oh, I misspelled frequency. And this other slider control, let's rename it to amount. Now we have to grab the first number, the 2, and now grab this peak whip in the expression properties and select here the slider. Instead of selecting here the frequency, select this slider. And now if we increase the frequency here, you will see it will move faster and faster. Also, let's do it for the amount. So select this 200, that it is the amount. Grab the peak whip and select here this slider for the amount. And now we can increase this number to, let's say, 200. This to 2, and we can animate this with keyframes. So I'm gonna make a keyframe here, and if I want to make this stop here, just set this to 0. Grab these keyframes. I'm gonna assist this with F9 to make the animation smoother, and now you can see it stopped moving. Or you can even make this move faster. Now bring it back to 200, make a keyframe here for the frequency. And here I'm gonna increase the frequency to 10. And I see this. And oh, it's so funny. So now you can animate the frequency. That way you can animate the So that way you can animate the wiggle expression with keyframes. That's all for today's tutorial. Join Animation Essentials in the link in the description and become a confident animator. You can download this project file in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.